welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. I'm gonna do an eye look. This is the eye look that I'm going to do today using the ColourPop Dream Street. This is really nice palette, and I used only two shades, just two shades, and this look I created with that. I used this matte blue shade and this brown shade. That's all that I used for this look. So before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And you can also follow me on Instagram if you are interested, and if you want to see the makeup related pictures, there it is in the description below. The link and all is there in the description below. So guys, I've already primed my eyelids using my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I am going to use my ColourPop Dream Street Kathleen Lights into ColourPop collaboration palette, and I am mostly going to use the blue shades, this shade, and a couple of nude shades, which I will put it in my crease. Now we'll just start the video without wasting any time. Now I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush, and I'm just going to put this color, the first one. So I'll take this color and put it all over my crease as well as my eyelids. We'll just have a wash of color. And then we'll directly start with the dark blue matte shade. So this is my eyelids. Now we'll directly go with the blue shade. We'll go with this shade, that is the dark blue. This is a very easy eye look. I'll just tap off this color and then blend out with the first brown color, and again tap it with blue color and pat it on my eyelids. So I will do this step 2 or 3 times. I'll show you the first step, I'll show you the first time, then when I'll repeat the process, I'll just fast forward the part. So I have taken the matte blue shade on my brush, and I'm just going to pat on my lids. See, it is so pigmented. I haven't done my face yet because this was a dark color and this will have a lot of fallout. So I'll do my face later on after I'm done with my eye look. This is going to be only matte eye look with just a pop of shimmer color in my crease, not in my crease, in my inner corner. Now I'll take this brush. This is more of a precise blending brush, and I'll take the same blue color, and I will blend out very lightly, because as you can see these have all harsh edges. So I'll just use the same color and just blend out the color. As you can see, when you are blending this color, it is washing off, so we have to pat it again and again. So we have the actual color. Now we'll take the first brush, and we had taken the first color, which is this shade, and we'll use it again in the crease to blend out the shades. Now as you can see, the blue color has washed off, so I will reapply it, and I will use a tapping motion, and I'll use the same steps 2 or 3 times until the actual color I want. So after this I'll fast forward the step. Now I'll do the same thing on my other eyes. I will show you guys the same thing, and I will just fast forward it because there is nothing really difficult in this. I just wanted to create this look. It was really pretty and the color was really good, so I'll just do the same thing again. I'm really not talking in the video because it will take a lot of time, and this video will be for around 25 minutes again. I hope you liked yesterday's video. I showed the starter kit for beginners and I gave 2 options. I hope you liked it. My face is always this side because I have my mirror this side. If I'll put it in the front, it will come in the video. That is why whenever I'm doing my makeup, I'm always facing this side. And if you want a straight angle look, you can always use your nails and a wet wipe and just do in the angle you like, but I don't like a sharp look, so I'm not doing that. So this is the eye look. It is really nice, really good. Now I'll just do rest of my face and then we'll do under eyes. I think I'll do it now. I think we'll do the under eyes now, light color. So I'll use this brush and use the same teal blue color and use it my lower lash line. I'm just going to tap this color because I want a really nice smoky look. For the inner corners, I have these small single eyeshadows. These are glitters, so when we are done with the face, then we'll put this in the inner corners. It will look really nice. Now I'll do the rest of my face, then we'll finish up my eyes. So I'll meet you guys in few minutes. So guys, I finished the rest of my face. I did my eyebrows, my face, my highlighter. I even used a lipstick which is from Mercier. This is the Creme Smooth Lip color in the shade Creme Coral. This is the shade. I used this on my lips. I really like the look of this. Now for waterline, I even used mascara and everything. I don't use eyelashes a lot, so I am just going to use the Marc Jacobs gel eyeliner. This is in the shade Whirlpool, so I'm going to use this in my waterline. It is not matching to my eye look, but this will go. See, this is looking nice. Now just one more thing. I have this single eyeshadow from Wet n Wild. This is more of a glitter eyeshadow. It has glitters and it is actually a glitter paste. Now even ColourPop has the same one. This is how it looks, if you can see. Not too much of glitter, so that's what I'm going for, and this I'll put it in my inner corner. See, that is looking really nice. Just I wanted something little glittery for my inner corner because my whole look is matte. So you can see this is looking nice. It is just little bit of glitter, so that's good. Now we are done with the makeup. This was a really easy makeup. You can use different colors for the eye look. You can use just 2 or 3 colors, whichever you like, and use the technique which I use. This was very easy, so I think this will be a very short video. So if you can see, this is how my makeup is looking. So guys, this was my eye look for today's video. If you like, let me know, and please also comment below what kinds of videos you want to see. This is a really nice palette. This is only for $16, and here I think it is only for 100 dirhams. So let me know guys what kind of eye looks you want to see. Until next time, bye.